In this quick walkthrough, we're adding a new user in Calidore. From the top toolbar, you can choose Administration. Head into Groups and Users. You can open the new user form in two ways. First option is you can click the Add User button on the left. Alternatively, you can right-click the Users folder and choose Add a new user. Now let's fill out the details. Enter the username, pick the group membership type, choose the company they should log into, add the company email address, create a password, then retype to confirm. Next, set access by ticking the permissions you want. For example, you can enable web shop notifications or keep it to administration access only. Scroll to the Rep Privileges tab and simply review what's already assigned. You can just import the email signature as a template. Do a quick final check, then press Save. That's it! New user created. Nice and simple. Subscribe for